Let's have an IB question bank question now. The question says, Mr. Burke teaches a mathematics class with 15 students. In this class, there are 6 female students and 9 male students. Each day, Mr. Burke randomly chooses one student to answer a homework question. Part A of the question, we need to find the probability that on any given day, Mr. Burke chooses a female student to answer a question. On any given day, the probability that he chooses a female student simply is equal to the number of females over the total. So it's females over the total number. This is simple probability. This is equal to the number of females are 6 divided by 15, the total number of students. And by this, I finished part A of the question. Let's go to part B. In the first month, Mr. Burke will teach his class 20 times. So I can know that n is equal to 20. Find the probability that he will choose a female student 8 times. So the number of success, these are the number of successes. So R is equal to 8. And the probability of success, it's the same as probability of choosing a female, is 6 over 15. To find the probability now of X equals 8, simply I need to use my graphical display calculator. Exit, I go to dist, binomial, and I go to BPD because I want it to be only 8 times. I have the X equal to 8, the number of trials equal to 20, and the probability is equal to 6 over 15. And I just execute, having the probability of having 8 times a female student is equal to 0.179, but to 3 significant figures, the 7 will give the 9 1, it becomes 0.180. So this is 0.180. Now let's go for part C. Find the probability that he will choose a male student at most 9 times. So now the number of trials I have 20. R in this time would be equal to 9 because at most 9 or less. And the probability of success in this time will be the probability of choosing a male, which is 1 minus 6 over 15. And this will give me 9 over 15. So now I need the probability of X to be less than or equal to 9. This is a cumulative distribution because I have either X equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on till it's 9. So I go to my graphical display calculator. I go to distribution, binomial. I go to BCD. I have the lower to be 0. And the upper at most 9 times to be 9. The number of trials is 20. And the probability for choosing a male is 9 over 15. And now I simply press execute. This is equal to 0.1 0.128. So this probability is 0.128. And by this, we could solve this question bank question successfully.